Why does Lyra get Alpha Kale, and you send me off to marry a blind man? I won't do it! I'd rather die than marry a blind man! No! Please! Are you really gonna stand there and let my daughter bleed out?
They are mated! What can I do? Mia, put down the dagger!
Then I'll kill myself now!
Ow!
I can swap marriages with you. Wait, what? What, you would actually do that? I will break the bond if that's the only way. But I'll keep what's mine. My mother's bracelet and everything Leo Wildholm sent.
If you marry Leo, I can give you much more than that.
I just want what was taken from me. Wait! You and Kale are mated? You're really gonna walk away from him? He's the most powerful and handsome one. I bet everyone wants him. That's not your problem. I will break the bond with him. Why? You love him. Everyone can see that. Because he likes you. You don't need to know. You'd better pretend nothing had happened until the wedding day. I won't tell a word. Oh, baby, you really scared me.
Don't ever do that again. We love you so much, my babe girl.
Everyone knows how much I love Kale. I do. I always have. My Alpha, I have something for you.
I'm exhausted.
Burning up. Kale, I'll do anything for you.
Mia, I love you. Mia.
So that's why. That's why he never touched me. Why he walked away. God, I've been such an idiot.
My love is Mia. But that those rogues are always trying to kill me. If Mia become my Luna, she would also be attacked. So I chose to marry Lyra and make her a shield for Mia.
This time, I'll reject you, Alpha Kale. We're done, Kale. I won't love you anymore.
Alpha, the Luna crown is ready. Should I call Lyra?
No. I'll call her myself.
It seems Lyra still matters to you.
Lyra was just a shield. My heart only belongs to Mia.
My mom's gone. There's no one left to protect me. Don't cry. I'll protect you. But Mom left me, and you'll leave me too. Our necklaces are a pair. With this necklace, I will always protect you.
I've told you many times, don't touch this necklace!
Mia is the one I've always wanted to protect. Since we were kids. Lyra, I miss you.
Liar. After all this, you still act like nothing happened. You're a damn good actor. I miss you too.
I'll pick you up later to try on the Luna crown. By the way, bring Mia too.
Mia, always Mia. Now everything makes sense. How stupid I am. Ouch!
Mia! Are you okay?
Kale!
What was that? Are you okay?
Alpha says he doesn't care about her, but when Lyra's hurt, he's never anywhere else.
What happened? Why are your clothes wet?
Nothing. Caught in the rain.
What were you burning?
Just trash. Good timing, too. Helps dry me off.
You burned yourself. Be more careful next time.
Kale, thank you for the potion. My wolf hasn't awakened yet, but after drinking this, I finally feel hope.
Alpha, this hasn't been fully tested yet. You're risking your life. She doesn't wolf. If there's any risk, I take it first.
If she knew, she would love this surprise.
Kale is actually preparing a gift for me? He truly loves me. I should also prepare a for him. I put everything into his gift. Turns out his surprise was for Mia!
If you like it, I can make more.
I heard you're going to try on the Luna crown. Can I come with you?
Sure. Come on, baby. You two share the same wedding day. And I just know a place have many beautiful crowns.
I can't wait! Just happened. Bullshit. Welcome. This is all our Luna crowns. They look so plain. Is there anything special? Of course. We have a Luna crown from 200 years ago, crafted by 10 elders. That one. Bring it out immediately. Oh my god. Ouch! It burned me!
Mia!
Beautiful things always belong to the most noble. I forgot to mention earlier, this crown chooses its owner it deem worthy. You mean it doesn't deem me worthy? I don't feel any pain. Oh, it seems to have chosen its owner. No, I said I want this crown.
Give the crown to Mia.
What? But it chose me!
Mia is your sister. Why do you always take all her want away?
Take from her? That's how you see me? No, don't make Laya angry. My wolf hasn't awakened. I'm not worthy of this crown.
Give it to Mia. Don't make me say it twice.
What if I don't? Oh my god, it's really beautiful. You would rather hurt yourself for her. I should know it early. I warned you, this crown doesn't deem you worthy.
Mia!
Kyle, save me!
Mia!
Kale, you drove us out of the pack.
and we'll make you lose what you cherish most. Hold on.
No, Kale! I'll die! Please!
These silver nails will kill your wolves and make you useless. One slice and they're both dead!
It was Lyra who killed Mia's wolf. She should also pay the price for Mia.
What was I even hoping for? I'm just a shield he uses to protect Mia. My wolf! My girl!
Sorry, Lyra. It's so hurt I can't.
No!
My hair? Honey, are you hurt?
I'll call the doctor right now.
What a touching scene. Seems everybody forget. I once had a home too.
You betrayed me! For this bitch!
You're weak as a dog. I need a strong partner.
How dare you call me a bitch?
Let go of my mom!
Get out of the way, you little bitch, or I'll beat you up too!
Please, my mother has heart disease. Let her go! Dad, please save Mom.
Sorry. I couldn't save you.
My wolf dead?
Whatever you have, wolf or not, you're still my mate.
You still pretending? Sorry, Lila. I was really scared.
I don't want your sympathy!
Mia!
Kale, I won't let anyone hurt you.
You can hurt me if you want. But how could you hurt Mia? How dare you hurt your sister?
You'll pay for this.
Kyle, I was grateful when you showed up after I was rejected by 4 mates. But you were also the one who broke me in the end. After this, we'll be even.
Mom, since you gone, no one's protected me. I even lost my wolf. I miss you.
I've heard that you're extremely vicious and left your own sister badly injured. Today, I'm here to teach you a lesson.
That's Kale's ring. The wizard said that a ring with the blood from the heart of someone who loves you carries the moon goddess protection. Kale, to ensure your safety, I am willing to do anything for you. I will love you forever. Kale, he kidnapped me for Mia. He's even punishing me for her.
Don't worry, I won't let you die. I'll just let you experience the pain of being stabbed again and again and again!
My mother's bracelet!
She hurt Mia. I can't show any mercy. Still 97 shoots left.
Kale, we're done.
I'm sorry. It was my momentary oversight that got you kidnapped. Sorry, this won't happen again.
Kyle, there won't be a next time.
How can I make up to you now?
Why didn't I realize he was such a jerk? Tomorrow I'll be your Luna.
I'll come pick you up tomorrow.
I have a surprise for you tomorrow. One you'll carry with you forever.
You seem in a good mood today, Alpha. Is it because you're taking Lila to the Luna ceremony? Mia's the only one I love. I'm just curious what kind of surprise Lyra has planned.
Right.
You did look happy.
Mom, I couldn't even protect the last thing you left, let alone myself. Today, I'm going to marry a complete stranger.
What are you doing? Go swap dresses with Mia, quick! This is the potion the wizard gave me. Once it's taken, the mate bond will break quietly. Kyle, you should look forward to my surprise. I still can't believe it. I'm really becoming Alpha Kale's Luna and you're marrying a blind cripple. Shut up. Valon! Both of you, Kale's here. The man you're going to marry is blind. You really won't regret this? Say one more word and I'll take Kale back.
Sorry, the Alpha couldn't come himself. The previous Luna sent me.
Let's go.
I, Lyra Thorne, reject Kale Drapin as my mate, moon goddess. Hear my will.
Kale, from now on, Mia will always be with you.
Lila? This can't be.
Surprise.
Mia? How? No! You can't do this!